Unveiling the Secret Weapon. Understanding ace in the hole. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English expression that's as strategic as it is secretive. Ace in the hole. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a curious learner, understanding this phrase will add a captivating layer to your English proficiency. So, let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, ace in the hole, refers to a hidden advantage or resource that can be used when it is most needed. Originating from the game of poker, where an ace is a valuable card, having an ace in the hole means possessing a powerful, secret asset that others are unaware of. This expression has transcended card games to become a part of everyday language, symbolizing any concealed strength or trump card. To fully appreciate ace in the hole, it's essential to know its roots. This phrase comes from poker, specifically a version called stud poker, where one card is dealt face down, the hole card, and remains a secret until the end. The ace, being the highest and most valuable card, represented a significant hidden advantage. Over time, this concept found its way into various aspects of life, symbolizing secret weapons or strategies in business, competitions, and personal challenges. Ace in the hole is versatile, fitting seamlessly into conversations about strategy, competition, or unexpected advantages. Here are some examples. Even though it seemed like he was going to lose, he had an ace in the hole that guaranteed his victory. In negotiations, it's always good to have an ace in the hole, a piece of information or a strategy that the other side doesn't know about. She always seems calm during exams because she studies diligently. Her ace in the hole. This phrase isn't just a linguistic artifact. It's a reflection of strategic thinking and the value of preparedness in English-speaking cultures. It underscores the importance of having a plan B or a hidden advantage in competitive or challenging situations. Ace in the hole resonates with the idea that what is unseen can sometimes be the most powerful factor in achieving success. Understanding and using expressions like ace in the hole can greatly enrich your English language journey, offering deeper insights into the nuances of communication and cultural values. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and adds a strategic edge to your linguistic arsenal. Keep learning, and may you always have an ace in the hole in your endeavors. Thank you for joining us today, and see you in our next language adventure.